Hello good people, it is John here, and today I'm going to work on a Volvo D3 2018. I'm going to change the spring. The spring is broken. I hope you can see it. That piece over there, there is on top there, you can see. I don't know whether you can see it, but the spring is broken at the tip on top. So I'm going to change it. And first of all, what I'm going to do is to loosen this bolt over there. It is 15. I need a 15 millimeter spanner or anything like that. And I also need to loosen another bolt just behind there. That is a small bolt that is holding the strut. Just back there, and there is another one on the other side. That one need to be loosened as well. After I have loosened those three bolts, I need to remove these connections. Disconnect them, this one and this one, and then I'll hammer this piece down. I'll hammer this piece down. After that, I will go on top and open the hood. There is three bolts that is holding the whole strut in place, and I remove those bolts, and after that I can be able to the whole strut will be able to be released, and I can remove it. As you can see, I'm also using the Allen key. You need to use the Allen key in order to remove the bolt, otherwise it will be rotating together with the bolt. So you need to hold with the Allen key at the same time you are loosening the bolt. Guys, as you can see, it is coming loose, but it may take time, so it is better to be patient. So at this side I'm holding with the number 15 bench, and on the other side I'm using number 13. So the right side bolt is number 15 and the left side bolt is number 13. Okay guys, as you can see, it was difficult for me to remove the strut, but fortunately I have got a trick whereby I'm using a jack to press the spring upwards, and as you can see, the whole strut is coming out. I used the hammer but the hammer was not successful. So I think this trick has worked for me. So in fact it can work for anyone. So in fact, next time if your strut cannot come out, you can just jack the way I have done it, and fortunately things can work for you. Now you have to remove that bracket that is holding the whole suspension in place. There is this long metal bracket that is need to be removed. So that one, there is 2 bolts, and you are supposed to use a number 10 spanner. After removing that bracket, there is 3 bolts that is holding the whole strut in place. So you have to remove it, and all this is inside the bonnet. You definitely need to pop up the bonnet. After removing the bracket, then there is 3 bolts with number 21. So you have to remove them. Now after removing the spring, you have to compress it. I bought this very simple tools whereby you can compress it yourself at home, but make sure that they are balanced before you compress them, otherwise they can shoot. It is very important that you see they are balanced to avoid injury. You need to carefully press the spring with care, because there is always some danger, some injury. You can injure your fingers. So after inserting everything together, now you can release the spring. Now you have to insert the bolt back after inserting the strut in place. Remember, this is a Volvo D3 2018, but you can do it in any other car. The process is the same. So when inserting it back, you need to use the jack. You press the jack from underneath, and as you can see, the strut is coming in perfectly. Continue pressing until the strut is inside. You see the marking? You have to make sure that the strut goes all the way inside as it was before. Now you have to put everything back together the way it was. So you start with this bolt on top. Have to be patient. Make sure everything is tight as it was. It is very important that you tighten them because you don't want anything falling when you are driving.
That's what I